Let's dive into division. 98 divided by 2. Hey super math stars, Sparkle's ready to conquer division. Hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 98 by 2. We'll begin with the first digit 9. We're using the digit 9 for this step. No digits to carry over yet. How many times does 2 fit into 9? Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. It fits 4 times. Now let's check our work. 4 times 2 is 8. That's correct. We have 9 and we used 8. So 9 minus 8 leaves us with 1. We've got a remainder. Awesome job. You figured out the first part. You're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit to make our remainder even bigger. Look at that. We brought down the 8 and now we have 18. Our new number to divide is 18. We're using both digits now, so we have 18 to work with. No digits to carry over. How many times does 2 go into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 9 times. Let's multiply to see if we're right. 9 times 2 equals 18. Perfect. We have 18 and we used 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. No remainder this time. You nailed it. 18 divided by 2 is exactly 9. You're on a roll. And with that, we've used all the digits in 98. We're all done dividing. So 98 divided by 2 is 49. Great job, everyone. We just tackled 98 divided by 2 like math superheroes. Remember, every division problem is a chance to get stronger and smarter. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, waving hand.